beautiful ladies out there. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to do this makeup tutorial for you guys because I know the holidays are coming up and this is definitely going to be my go-to smoky eye, and I'm calling it Nacho Mama's Smoky Eye. Don't ask me why, I don't know why, I just thought it was a cool name for it. So good morning everybody. I'm starting off with a nice warm cup of ginger tea, so good in the morning. And I'm just gonna show this part really quick. I'm just applying my toner. And for the sake of time, I'm not going to go through all the products that I'm using, but if you are interested in learning more, then just let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to list the products or make a video about them. Here I am going in with my centella oil, which is really nice and refreshing, and it helps with redness and reduces the size of your pores, and it also protects your skin's barrier. I'm going in with my beef tallow collagen. I open up that little pill there and I just gently pat it onto my face. This is e.l.f.'s SPF blurring primer. It really helps to reduce the size of your pores. I mean, pores where? Like, you can see automatically how it kind of smoothed out my skin. It's a great primer. Now I'm applying my foundation. I use Yensa Silk Foundation. It has peptides and it just makes my skin look so silky. I love it. And I'm just going on with a light coat. I don't want anything too heavy because we are going in with a pretty intense eyeshadow. I'm applying my concealer and I'm just speeding this all up because we've all seen 100 videos like this. So for the sake of time, I'm just kind of trying to make it quick for you guys. And I'm applying it everywhere where I would like a little extra highlight. Y'all, look how my skin is skinning, okay? I've been doing the whole Korean skincare routine thing, and man, it makes such a difference. I have better skin now in my 30s than I ever did in my 20s. It's ridiculous. So now I'm going in with my setting foundation powder. It's slightly tinted, so it kind of is going to give me that bronze golden glow. And I'm putting extra emphasis on my cheekbones and anywhere else that I feel like I need a little extra contour. Now I'm going in here with my highlights. I'm just gently applying it here. Back to contouring my nose. I feel like I'm kind of all over the place right now. It's okay, bear with me. You guys know how to do this part already anyways. I'm just talking. And I'm doing what I love to do, my favorite part, just putting that highlight straight down my nose. Just to really emphasize my nose. And I'm going in with a very light blush. You can barely see it. It's just gonna give me just a tint of color and a bit more shine there on the apples of my cheeks. Here I'm going in with my highlights. My favorite palette to use for highlighting is the Becca palette. I believe it's by Khloe Kardashian. Correct me if I'm wrong. Here I'm just brushing out my brows, and I'm using my favorite brow cream that I've had for like years now, and it still hasn't ran out because I just put a very light amount and I just kind of feather it on so it still looks a little natural. Now I'm going in with this opaque off-white eyeshadow, and I'm going to be applying it all over the base of my eyelid and a little bit above my crease. And I'm putting on a really good layer because this is the base eyeshadow that I'm starting with, and I really wanted to stand out against the other colors before I apply those. So as you can see, I went a little bit above my crease there. Now I'm going in with this dark brown, and I'm applying it from the middle of my lid to the outer part of my lid only. Now I'm going in with this really dark mauve color. It's a very beautiful color. It has like a hint of like a purplish lavender kind of color. And I'm putting that into my crease using my crease brush. And I'm gently dragging the dark brown along with it. Now I'm applying just a typical black eyeshadow on the very edge of my eyelid. And using my crease brush, I'm going to start dragging that color inwards into my crease and a little bit above it as well. This part is really what's smoking out the look here. Now I'm just taking that mauve color again and applying it above my crease just to create a nice blurred line between all of the colors that I've applied. And I'm going to do the same on the other side, just really blending everything in with my blending brush. I'm going to take this mauve color again and begin working under my lash line. So I'm going to start off by applying that color all along my lower lash line. And I'm taking that dark brown and applying it to the corner and a little bit towards the center. So I start off at the edge and then I slowly bring it in towards the middle. Then I'm going in with the black and I'm putting this on the corner as well, the very, very corner of my eye. I'm also going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes to really make the look pop and to brighten my eyes a bit. I also like to drag that underneath my lash line as well, inwards towards the center. Now I'm applying my liquid eyeliner. Of course, I gotta do my signature cat eye. And now I'm going to go ahead and put on my mascara. Very easy, very simple, yet so glamorous. I love it. Now I'm applying my lip liner, and since I don't have the color that I really wanted, I basically am using a really small angled brush and I just dip that into some eyeshadow that matches the color that I was envisioning, and I'm using that as my lip liner and it works. I'm just lining my lips here, and now I'm going to apply my lipstick. At this point you can use any lipstick that you want. I really love this mauve. It's like a dark mauve, dark brown color, and it's matte, which is exactly what I was going for. And this is the completed look, you guys. It was very easy to do, as you can see. All the colors are just blending so well together, and it's just a perfect look for the holidays. So if you're interested in seeing more videos like this, then definitely let me know. Like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Be kind, be cool, and just remember that there's no one else in this universe like you. Remember that you're so special, you're one of a kind, and that's the beauty in it, y'all. Just gotta love yourself and love life, because it is a journey and it is way too short. So Go out there and enjoy it, you guys. Have a beautiful, blessed day. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye.